5 insane free AI apps. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you top 5 free AI apps for Android. So first on my list has to be Google Assistant, and it's a very popular AI app. So if you're using an Android device, chances are you have heard of this Google Assistant, and it is one of the most popular AI app. Google Assistant lets you to schedule events, starts timer, look up for information and more, all with the help of simple voice or written commands over time. So it used for inputs, and all using AI adapts the app is respond to them accordingly. And the second one is Bing, which is a best AI search engine app. So Bing has been slowly becoming the go-to app for variety of reasons. Using the voice feature, you can look for the things to purchase like dining recommendation, and even ask Bing to recite a poem for you. And once the command is given, then comes through the search result and give the best and most accurate answer to your queries. The third one is Elsa Speak. It's a best AI app to learn English. If you want to learn English, so Elsa Speak is one of the best app to learn from, and it can also improve and brush up your English speaking skills. The app comes with comprehensive lesson plans and can help you practice and prepare different situations. And the fourth one is Face App, which is a best photo editor app. So Face App has become very a sensation with its ability to alter photos using AI. It has different filters available that can help you fill the genders, age gap, and completely change the look of the picture, amongst other things. So this is one of the good ones out there. And the last but not the least is Youper. Youper makes use of the combination of AI and cognitive behavior therapy to gauge your mood pattern and suggest activities. You can check it on the app multiple times a day depending on your mood progression. Youper will then use this data to compile an insight report that can give you a closer look into your mood pattern over time. These are the top insane free AI apps that you must try for if you are using an Android. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.